Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's problem of the day in Geeks is minimum cost of ropes. So we are given with an array of rope lengths. Connect all ropes into a single rope with the minimum total cost. The cost to connect two ropes is the sum of their lengths. So let me take this example and explain you in whiteboard. So this is the array given for us. So at first what they are telling is we need to connect ropes of two lengths, and similarly we are supposed to connect all the ropes. uh, it's like this. If we connect 3 and 2, we will get 4, 5, 6. And you need to take a variable answer here, and you need to add this sum, nothing but 5 to the answer. So we have this array. Now we need to connect any two ropes. Let's it be 4 and 5, so 9 and 6. And if we add 9 to this answer variable, we'll get 14. Now we have these two ropes of length. If we add this, we will get 15. So if it is a single rope, I mean there is only one element, then we need to stop. So here we need to add 15. We got 15 plus 14, 29. Yes, 29. So our answer is 29. So why we are selecting the minimum numbers? I mean, for every iteration we need to select the minimum two numbers. I mean, first minimum number and second minimum number. Why? Because in order to reduce the cost. So for this we can use the priority queue in Java. Let me implement a Java solution for this. For this we will take the priority queue in Java. So priority queue is like minimum heap in Python. So in priority queue, every time we update the value, we will get the minimum element at the 0th index. I mean, for every iteration we will get the minimum element at 0th index. So let's implement the Java solution here. I will I will declare a priority queue now. Priority. So syntax to declare priority queue is this. So priority queue, we need to mention the data type, and let's say the variable name is minheap, new priority queue. So we have declared a priority queue called named minheap. Now we need to add every element inside the minheap. I mean priority queue. For this I am taking a for loop. So minheap, I mean priority queue has a method called offer, which is used to push any element inside the priority queue. So after doing this, every element inside the array is pushed inside the priority queue. And if we take any 0th index from the min heap, it will be the minimum of all the elements present inside that priority queue. So now what we can do is, we will take a while loop here, while min heap dot size. So priority queue, I think there is a method called dot size in priority queue. Let's check, is greater than 1. So what does this indicate? If there are any more than one element inside the priority queue, then we are supposed to do inside the for loop, I mean while loop. At first I will take a variable called a, and I will remove the first element from the priority queue. So priority queue has an element called poll, which will remove the first element from the priority queue, and I am assigning it to a. And I will take a second variable, let it be b. Similarly, I will also remove the first index element, I mean second element from the. So I have removed first two elements here. After removing the first element, it will do some heap sort inside the priority queue, and we will also get the minimum from the priority queue. And I will take another variable called sum, and I will add it here. So in order to store the overall answer, I mean overall cost, I will take a variable called let's say cost, and I will initialize it to 0. So every time I will add the this sum variable, I mean this sum to the overall cost. And remember, we need to, as shown here, we need to replace with the sum of these elements, right? So every time after doing this sum, I will add it to priority queue. So as I told earlier, in order to add element inside the priority queue, we need to use the method called offer. At last, I need to return the cost. I think this will pass. Let's see. Yes, it's passing the sample test case. Let's quickly submit the solution. Yes, it is passing all the test cases. I will also post the Python solution for this in the comment section. Along with that, I will also post the today's lead code problem of the day inside the comment section. So please make sure to check it out. If you have any another approach, please post in the comment section. Thanks for watching.